Good morning, YouTubes. Just a quick video for now because my new rocker panels for the truck are out on delivery. So I want to take Bugsy out for a wee drive because I haven't actually shown you what, or let you hear. What's the audio term for showing you? Anyway, I want you to hear what the new exhaust sounds like. So we'll go on Bugsy to Canadian Tire or Auto Body Shop because I need you to help me with a shopping list. When the new rocker panels arrive, I will be sizing them up and cutting out all the crap, and then going to figure out how I'm going to attach the new rocker panels. But I also need to know how much I need to protect on the inside. So do I need to get rust converter? Do I need to get weld through primer? All that kind of stuff. So I need a shopping list. Also, paint wise, I don't think it's worth firing up the massive compressor and the air paint tool just to do this rocker panel. So I'm just going to get cans of paint. I'm thinking 1 can per side should be plenty, but let me know what you would get. Also, primer wise, what color of primer should I get? If I'm painting these bright silver, I think that's the term for the Chrysler silver, is bright silver, but I'll check the paint code. I think it's on the door sill. So yeah, leave comments. Let me know all the parts I need. I've got like plenty of masking tape, and I've got welding material, welding machines in the corner, and I think I've got some fiberglass type stuff. Right folks, I will see you out in Bugsy in a little while.